Today, I'm sharing a brand new tool to schedule your social media content, including Instagram. And what I love most, this content scheduler is now in exactly the same place where I design my posts. It's so easy and it's keeping me more organized. Stay with me. I'm Phil, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I share practical advice to build your brand. I often talk about Instagram on this channel, and I also often talk about Adobe Express because I'm a very proud Adobe Express ambassador. It's a great platform for anyone that needs to create beautiful social media content quickly, just starting from one of thousands of beautiful templates. It's that easy. Now it is really easy to schedule your beautiful creation in just a few seconds without even having to leave Adobe Express. It's called Content Scheduler, and I am a big fan. Let's take a closer look together. Well, let's start here from the dashboard. I'm gonna go ahead and click on Projects, and I'm gonna choose something here in Adobe Express that I've been working hard on, and I'm ready to share on my social media profiles. So here I love this quote. I've got my social media handle that I could plunk down here. This, by the way, is a template I've created for you to get started on Adobe Express. Easy content creation templates. This is one of them. You can check that out. I'll link to it in the description below. But let's say this was ready to go on my social media profiles. I would click this calendar icon right up here, and that will open the brand new Content Scheduler. I love that this is now integrated directly into Adobe Express, so you don't even have to leave the app when you want to get your social media content out. Now, I should note, at the time of recording this video, you will select either a business profile or a creator or personal profile. With a business profile, you can handle direct publishing for single images, single video posts. You can also use the mobile app to publish a gallery, so that would be like a multi-image post or a story or a longer video. As a creator or a personal profile, you cannot do direct publishing for single images or single video posts. You're going to want to have the mobile app to publish all of your posts. So that's a good thing to know right off the top. Now, I've gone ahead and connected 3 social media platforms, my Twitter, my Instagram, and my Facebook. Let's say I was going to go ahead and put this on Twitter. So I would select that profile. Because I clicked that calendar icon on that media, you'll see that I've already got that post ready to go. If I wanted to add something else, I would click that here, and then I can go ahead and get started here on a caption. I really love this quote to start off the week. There we go. And let's say I want to add a little emoji. I can click this little icon right here, add that just like that. Now, a few things to note at this time. Adobe Express has a handful of social media platforms that you can connect, like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. There are plans to expand that, so stay tuned if you're active on other social media platforms. One of the things I love right away is when you've got this post drafted, you can see how it looks. It gives you a preview of how it might look when it's posted on that social media platform. I find that that really helps me visualize how this is going to look when it actually goes out there. And very important, since you are scheduling social media content, you're going to want to note the publishing date here. So it's going to open up this calendar view, and I could go ahead and select the date as well as the time that I want it to go. Something important to note, that if you leave this blank, you can add an unscheduled post. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like right now. So let's say you've got the post ready, but you're not sure when you wanna schedule it. Or for example, let's say someone else is in charge of that. It will show up here as an unscheduled post where I can click and drag it into a day, and all of a sudden that gets scheduled. If I ever wanna change that, I just click on it and I could adjust the time or the date just like that. Now let's say we wanted this to actually be a draft, okay? I'm going to select the draft post icon and click save. And what that's going to do is it's going to highlight it this kind of blue purpley tone. And this is really, really good if a post needs approval, or you want to, look at it with fresh eyes before you get it scheduled. That's just a way, that you can incorporate this into your workflow. Again, at any time I can click the post, I can uncheck this, right? Now it's, if I click save, it's going to save the publishing date and time as I've got it selected. So I'll go ahead and click save changes. I really love this view here from the calendar perspective, right? So I can actually just click and drag if I want to, see my social media profiles at a high level. I find that this has been really super helpful when I'm wanting to glance at my social media, at a higher level and see how all of the posts are working together for the week. So this is Content Scheduler, and I know you're going to love it. Well, that is Content Scheduler in Adobe Express. It's easy and it's intuitive. I hope you'll give it a go and try it for yourself. Adobe Express is free for the first 30-day trial, and then it's a very affordable monthly or discounted yearly subscription, which includes all premium templates and design assets, Adobe fonts, a collection of over 160 million royalty-free Adobe stock collection photos, and now the ability to plan, schedule, and publish social media content across multiple channels. And there's more. I'll link to all the details below so you can check it out for yourself. On this channel, I share practical advice to build your brand. Consider subscribing for more videos on Instagram, content marketing, and personal branding, tangible tips to position, build, and promote your brand. A huge thanks to Adobe for allowing me to be an ambassador. Next, I'm sharing a few videos I think you'll be interested in. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.